I'm standing on some overlooks. This is Bear Reservoir. It actually, if you look, it curves around that peninsula. There's a dam further down. The reservoir is probably where the dam part is, and I'll get some video from the dam or some photos. Our gas is below E. We may not make it out of here, but you can see this. You can see why this is Bigfoot country. I mean, I've read a lot of reports from people about hearing strange screams, which we experienced, footprints. People have had sightings. You know, not around the lake, but there's a lot of boats and tourists and people camping on the lake, so it's not as many as opposed to, we were about 5-6 miles from here in the woods, so a little more active. But you get to see it at full form right here. It's crystal clear blue, and you have some nice little swimming hole down there, some boaters. That's just nice. That's just beautiful. You know, to park a boat and go swimming or fishing or whatever. But some of the best fishing is in this lake in the Sierras right here. So, you know, for you fishermen, this is the place to go, is Bear Reservoir off the 88 if you want to do some fishing. And the hiking's really great. It's a rough terrain. You can see this brush. We hiked through a half a mile of this type of brush, and it just scratches you up. It's waist high, and sometimes you don't have a choice but to climb through it. But anyways, our investigation expedition, we spent Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday here, is coming to an end, and it's nice to finish it up right here at the lake. This is Lord Rick. Check us out at www.paranormalghostsociety.org.